Hi everybody. Today we are going to learn how to choose the right file system for your flash disk. NTFS versus exFAT versus FAT32. First, open the File Explorer and plug in your flash disk. Right-click on your flash disk and click Format. If you plan to use your flash disk exclusively on Windows systems and need advanced security permissions, pick the NTFS file system format. NTFS stands for New Technology File System, and it supports massive file storage pools while handling system encryption and file compression rules natively. However, you must avoid NTFS if you regularly swap files with Apple devices, because Mac OS systems can only read NTFS volumes without being able to write any data to them. If you need absolute cross-platform compatibility across older hardware like car stereos, smart TVs, and vintage game consoles, pick the FAT32 file system format. Keep in mind that FAT32 is an aging architecture framework that carries a strict architectural limitation where it cannot store any individual file larger than 4 GB. If you want the ultimate modern solution for external storage, select the exFAT file system format when configuring your formatting options. The exFAT layout eliminates the small file size caps of FAT32 while maintaining native read and write capabilities across both Windows and Mac OS platforms seamlessly. Click Format, and the operating system framework will instantly format your storage media based on this selection, optimizing your flash disk for either specialized Windows tasks, maximum legacy support, or seamless modern cross-platform sharing. And that's it. I hope it helps you on your current and future project. Thank you for watching.